old money videos, that is not a flex. CLS 53 AMG, it's the best, yeah. Skipping lanes, I'm running through them states. I was only 13 when I caught my first case. Bitch, I got the city hot like the fucking Everglades. Dub clothes out of style, please go put that shit away.
Here's the infamous Scatpack once again. Oh man. I know it probably looks like the car is like sunken in the ground, but it's really not. Let me show you guys. So, yeah, there's a lot of parts in here, but that window's broken. That window's broken. I just took out the glass, but you could tell the difference because of the small window. This window's broken, and the windshield is also broken. So, kind of made me like a little discouraged to fix it, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and fix it, and then I'll reveal the surprise for you guys, because being discouraged to fix this one made me go buy another car. So I'll show you guys, and I don't know if I want to show you guys at the end of this video, or if I want to show you guys on a whole nother video. But let's see. It all depends how long this video is after I edit it, and then I'll show you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the 2 Scatpacks that I'm working on, and if the video is long enough, I'll probably reveal it to you guys next video. Let's go. Full walk around. Next build, you know, easy fix. It's currently at the body shop. We're gonna do the body work first on this one. Golly. Oh, we're gonna get him all right. Hey guys, we are back with another Dodge rebuild, but it's a surprise, so gonna let you guys guess, and it'll be a surprise for next video.